This is why you need Worldprofit Silver membership. Want to boost your affiliate earnings? Let's explore the perks. As a Worldprofit Silver member, you earn 20% commission on referrals for Silver and Platinum memberships and all related services. Imagine getting 20% on sales of advertising and traffic packages too. And it doesn't stop there. With the multi-commission system, you can rake in 20% from 18 different sources. Plus, you get 100% commission on your own ClickBank product sales and Moneymaker Kit products. Selling your own programs, affiliates, products, you keep 100% of those sales as well. And if you've got an Amazon, Fiverr, PLR, ebook or eBay store, you guessed it, 100% commissions on those sales too. But wait, there's more. Earn bonuses for new Worldprofit sales volume, ranging from $25 to a whopping $1,000. Plus, get an additional 5% from the sales made by your dealers. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start unlocking your earnings potential with Worldprofit Silver membership.